You said something about dinner and
Go ahead.
cake.
What does it say?
Can I kiss? Hey, I left the book. You are my... What is this word?
Child.
You are my child. And
Keep going. You can do it. You were doing good.
you are my... What's this verse?
No, you just have to do it. You just have to...
What's this verse?
I don't know. You have to read it. What did you say last time?
Huh?
Just read it. Just say read whatever you want to say.
You are my... Eating. You are my king. You are my... You are my push. You are my swing.
That's cute.
You are my bridge. You are my falling down bridge.
Good.
You are my blowing. What's this verse? I know. What's this one?
Carrot sticks.
You're my carrots. And what is that?
Dandelion.
You blow them down right. You're my running. You're my... What?
You read whatever you want.
You're my... What's this word?
Path.
You're my path. You're my... You're my... Page. You're my bath. You're my green.
Very good.
You're my food. You are my cake. You are my, what's this word? Oops.
Race.
You're my rice. My special book. You're my special burger. You are my peekaboo.
Is that all?
No, that's not all.
That's all? Very nice. You're a good reader.
I'm just gonna read this one.
Do you want me to read it to you again?
Huh?
Do you want me to read all the words?
Yes, I just read all the words.
Here, let me try it.